Okay, so today morning I'm go to the shop, and when I want to go home, my ignition switch is get broken, so it doesn't do anything. I'm gonna change it, but first I want to show you some trick. If this happens to you too, this is how you can start the car. So first turn on the ignition switch and turn on the ignition switch and remove the negative battery terminal and put back. So now you have power, and the other side of the ignition switch you can see the connector, and if you want to start the engine you need to this two and this one black, so this two wire and black. Use this wire, and if you can push that back and back, and the engine is started, so you can go home. But now we need to change the ignition switch. So to remove the ignition switch, there is a hole there, and you need something to push in, and you can remove. I do this thing from K-ring, and so you need the key in the ignition switch and put it the wire the hole and turn the key, and when you hear a click you can remove. This is broken, so first I need to find the broken piece in the ignition switch, and I hope I can remove. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver, and maybe I can. So I can't pull out this broken piece, so I need to remove the connector. So there is a little screw in here, and I don't want to remove the steering wheel, so I'm use a bit, and I try with remove the screw with my hands, and yeah, it's working. So remove it here. I unscrew this little screw, and I can pull out and there is the broken part. So yes, there is no more broken part, and I hope this plastic doesn't damage so much. So now I'm put it back the screw, and put back the new ignition switch. Now I need to put back the new switch. Where is the key? So that's it. Okay, so the ignition switch is back, and now I put back the positive terminal and find out if it's work. So the battery terminal is back, so now we can see. So okay, there is power, and the car is starting. So that's it. Okay, done. and work. Good. Now I put it back, the plastic covers and everything, and that's it. Thanks for watching.